Hello guys, this is the Waggle CTF walkthrough. So let's get started. So let's start by running a nmap scan. So sudo nmap -sv and then the IP. You don't need actually the sudo. That's fine. And let's run cobuster as well. So cobuster dir-u, then the website. Alright. So let me check if there is an port 80 survey for website, and yes there is. Let's run a cobuster and the word list is usr share word list command.txt. So we have cobuster scan running and nmap scan as well. So till that time let's see, take a look at the website. So when I'll press Ctrl U is to see the source code of the website. Ctrl U, and let's look over here. So let's see. Okay, so I found something useful. Jesse, don't forget to update the website. So we got, I think, which might be a username for this website is Jesse. He might be some administrator or a user in their server. So Jesse is one thing. All right, and an SSH port is open, and an Apache port is there, which is this one, and we got one information Jesse. Cool. Okay, so now let's see this one, cobuster. Let's see if we can find something from this. Mostly they have to wait for cobuster. Index.html is the same as this one. This is index.html, and we have something like a sitemap. Cool. Let's see sitemap, and oh, it took us to a totally different website. Oh my god. So let's again run a cobuster scan. This time we will change the URL to the one with the sitemap. So the reason why I was running with the sitemap is because this is like a totally new website. It's totally different. Okay, so I got something like .ssh. Let me check this. Oh wow, I found ID RSA. Cool. So this is the private key which is used to connect for the SSH connection. So we have a username Jesse and the private key. Okay, so let's go to CD music, touch ID, and the name I'll just nano ID, then I'll paste this here. Okay, so I have the ID, I have the username. So SSH-I provide the ID, and the name was Jesse, JESSIE at the IP address, and let me press enter. Okay, so I got invalid public key. So this happens when, let me show you. When I'll do ls-la, this ID, since this is a private key, so private key should only be readable by the root or the owner. So chmod 400 sorry, an ID. Let's try the same command again. Yep, we are in. So there was this invalid ID problem, which won't be there right now, even though I see that, but it doesn't matter, we are in. Okay, so now let's cat this file, which is, let's go to where should we go? let's go to documents, ls. Yep, we got one flag, which is user flag. Cool. Now let's go to cd root, and I don't know the password, so let's try to check if I can do something. So sudo's entry, I am allowed to run only one command as the sudo user as the root, which is wget. So I can run wget with sudo. I can do sudo wget. So nice. So let's now go to gtopens, gtopens. Yeah, the name is little. And let's also wget. And in wget, what we want to do is we want to be sudo. So I can run this. So this is like a fetch a remote file via http we get. It's the same like file download. Let's do a file upload. Which one should I do? Let's do this one. Alright, let's do this one. So let's change this sudo's file. In this sudo's file, let's change it to, let's search sudo's entry without password. So for sudo's entry without password, it's username all no password. So again, let's go to music. You are in music, right? cd music ls clear, and let's touch sudo's file. So cat, let's go to cd/etc, and let's cat sudo's. I cannot do this. Okay, so I cannot do cat out the sudo's file, or the sudo's file is over here. Where is it? This one. So let's change the sudo's file. So let's make our own sudo's file first. So touch sudo's. I am making sure that the spelling is same, sudoers, and let's nano sudo's. So the format is username Jesse James, not that Jesse, only Jesse, and then this till here. Alright, now let's play Control O, enter Control X, and my sudo's file is ready. So now I'll transfer this sudo's file from my place to over here, so that this will become overwrite. So let me serve up server. To server to give a server, I need to do python -m, and let's put a simple http. So well, you need to take sure that this S is capital and all of this as well, and let's serve it at port 80, and let's do sudo the previous command, and now I am ready to serve on port 80. I am absolutely ready. So I am serving at one place, and I will take the input over here in Jesse. So let me check my public IP, sudo ifconfig tuno, and this is my IP. Okay, so let's connect. So to connect, what should I do? I'll just get this file. So sudo wget, let's sudo -l Yeah, so this is the place. So I'll run sudo, rather than wget I'll just copy the full path. Then there is the URL and dash o output file. So the URL is my place, and then yeah, this is the URL is equal to attacker.com, which is me, and then file to get is sudoers. Yeah, it's the sudoers file. Yeah, this is the file. And then I'll put its output dash o. I think it's dash 0, or is it dash o? It's dash capital O, it's not 0. And then the file, local file, which is again sudoers. Let me press enter, and yes, there was a successful transfer. And again, let's do sudo dash l, and the commands I can run is all. I can run all commands now, which is nice. So I will go to cd root permission right. Okay, so I am not root yet. Yeah, but I can run every command right now. So let me stop my Python server. Now let's try and figure out what to do now. So at least this is for sure that I can run anything. But I am not allowed to go to the root directory, which is sad. So let's run sudo ls -la/root. So why did this work is because I can't go there, but my ls command can combine with sudo. Okay, so I cannot combine my sudo with cd, so this won't work, but I can do this because ls can combine with sudo. So now I can cat out this file with a simple cat command, and it will be done, since we can even access this. So yeah, so just for example, I'll just maybe cat out this profile one. So sudo cat, not cat won't work, sudo cat /root /nano. Oh, it's a directory .profile. Yeah, see, the cat came out, so it's working. So just like this, you can cat out this root_flag, and it's done. So I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.